And welcome to Global Green. For those of you who don't know me, I've been around. Some people have seen me. You know, I'm a little short, so I needed a stool. Anyway, so I'd like to start off the evening with one question. What can we do to solve the world's environmental problems? Now, I can imagine that there are many different answers to this question, each different and unique from one person to another. However, I'm sure that all of us attending Global Green have similar views. Am I right?
Yay!
Right. I mean, I just guess it's nice to know that with as many people as there are here tonight, we can unite over a common goal. Unfortunately, though, as hard as we are all working, the planet is still on a road to destruction, which means, well, we are too. And the worst part is most people know this. So wait, why did Global Green send a skinny little 14-year-old out here to tell you a message that you already know? Well, probably because what you don't know is that my generation grew up with more resources at our disposal than any other generation so far in history. And because of that, the boundary of impossible for us is not even visible. We don't even know what is impossible in today's world. Previous generations thought that it was impossible to go to the moon or to be able, with the push of a button, talk to somebody on the other side of the planet. By the way, with no wires. But my generation, we don't have these boundaries. We're ready to go out and start doing impossible things, like solving global climate change.
Yay.
Like inventing new methods of harvesting clean energy. Like building homes with sustainable design in greater quantities than ever before. Well, I actually guess that's where I come in. So, for those who don't know, I invented a device that collects energy from all around us and turns it into electricity. It's a green, ever-present energy source that will never run out or stop. Essentially, it's an inexpensive solution to one of the planet Earth's biggest problems. Soon, my device will be providing millions around the world with power that they never before had. Actually, a lot of people wonder how it works. So, it's actually quite interesting. Who knows what planet Earth is? Here, you. What is planet Earth? Yeah, that's pretty simple. It's a planet. Alright, so, our planet is a big round ball in space. And it has an atmosphere around it. Now, imagine the atmosphere and the planet as being basically two plates of a capacitor. If you don't know what a capacitor is, then, look it up. It's an electrical term. Anyway, so space is expanding. As a matter of fact, it has ever since the Big Bang occurred. And as it expands, it actually lets out rays, one of which is called cosmic rays. Cosmic rays then hit our atmosphere. That atmosphere then produces these things called ions. Ions that then fly literally thousands of miles an hour through us. As a matter of fact, there are billions of subparticles flying through you right now at thousands of miles an hour. There's actually a little meteor shower happening on your skin right now. Well, more like bullet shower, but, faster. So, basically, what my device does is it takes these raining ions of terror and it strips them of their power because they carry electricity with them and then converts that to electricity. And because it relies on our atmosphere, it's equal everywhere on the planet, which means it doesn't run out, it's in unlimited quantities, and how do I put it? We can access it anywhere. And you know what? I owe it all to one person. Some of you may know his name, others may just be hearing his name for the first time. His name is Nikola Tesla, the father of the 21st century.
Yay.
So, for those of you out there who know about Mr. Tesla, you would actually know that he's been dead for 70 years. So, for all of you thinking it out there, the answer is yes. I partnered up with somebody who's dead. So, the thing was that even though Nikola Tesla was dead, he had left behind lots of unfinished ideas, as well as thoughts and inquiries. I mean, with the left behind knowledge of his wisdom, in my imagination along with it, I was able to basically create my energy device. I was able to start making a difference and changing the world. So, if you can see where I'm going with this, my generation has the imagination, and your guys' generation, you guys got the wisdom and experience. So to answer the question that I asked earlier, Go Green thought that if I came up from the beginning of the evening and let you know what I'm doing and what I think is possible, that maybe I'd inspire you. The people in this audience that literally have the potential to inspire millions. Because, we all need to work together. There's no avoiding it. It doesn't matter if we're 14, 44, 100, or 104. And, everywhere in between and above. We have to put together the wisdom of your experiences and the endless imagination of my generation. And, of course, the determination to fix all of these problems that we caused so that we can do real things. Because we have to get off our butts and do something real. Am I right?
Yeah.
I mean, really, it's what this whole global green thing is about. So, I guess, if any part of my rambling, incoherent diatribe makes any sense, and you're up for joining a skinny little nerd like me in changing the world, let's kick off this night right and make a stand for green. Come on, you know what? Actually, literally stand up right now and make a stand for green. You need to get off your butts. You can start right now.